Obviously, other than that, in the US markets, where all eyes are going to be on that US CPI print scheduled to be released later tonight, and which is actually expected to show an increase of 0.3% in both overall as well as the core measures. Now, factors like energy cost, food price are expected to contribute to higher inflation. Concerns linger over the persistent inflation impacting consumers' sentiment and Federal Reserve policy, because that decision surely depends on inflation. They want that inflation to come towards and closer to the 2% target. So if the CPI print is showing a bit higher and an up move, that's going to be a concern in terms of cuts that one is expecting in June. Will that actually happen? And despite those hopes of a gradual slowdown, current projections fall short of this mark of 2%. I'm talking about now. Economists also are anticipating limited progress in inflationary pressures, underscoring the ongoing challenge in the battle to stabilize the prices. So that's a big concern that one is watching out for.
Absolutely, definitely is a big concern, and against that backdrop, it's key to watch out for the commentary coming in. Now, former Federal Reserve Bank of St. President James Bullard expects 3 interest rate cuts this year. His comments come as he believes that inflation aligns with the central bank's target amid a resilient economy. Now, Bullard's stance reflects growing confidence in a soft landing for the US economy, citing favorable inflation metrics.
The AI race is heating up again. Intel revealed its latest artificial intelligence chip, Gaudi 3, in an effort to challenge NVIDIA's dominance in the market. The company says the chip boasts improved power efficiency and faster performance compared to NVIDIA's similar chip. Now, the move signals that Intel's aggressive push to gain market share in the fiercely competitive AI hardware sector, a heating up challenge that one should watch out for, the competition in the AI space.
Absolutely, and keeping it with the competition in the AI space, then Google at its Cloud Next conference in Las Vegas said it plans to introduce custom ARM-based server chips this year, aiming to enhance cloud computing affordability. This move follows similar moves by rivals Amazon and Microsoft. The tech giant aims to utilize new Axion ARM chips for YouTube ad workloads and has garnered interest from customers like Snap as well.
Let's talk about oil major Shell then, and it is considering quitting the London Stock Exchange for New York, and in what would be the biggest blow to the UK's struggling stock market so far. Shell CEO called the London Stock Exchange undervalued, less competitive compared to Wall Street. The company is considering all options if the valuation gap persists.
Moving on then, Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida kicked off a much anticipated visit to Washington, which underscores shared concerns over Chinese military actions and bilateral differences over a major deal. President Biden will host a state dinner in his honor later. Amid diplomatic exchanges and symbolic gift discussions will be addressing strategic issues as well as trade relations ahead of the official visit. Kishida and his wife stopped by the White House last night.
And let's move on and talk about the aviation space then. And in the first quarter, Boeing's airplane deliveries fell by 283 amid the mounting safety concerns. This drop comes as Boeing faces increased scrutiny and criticism from major airline customers over delivery delays, prompting reassessment of both plans. Boeing is focusing on production improvement to enhance quality control, emphasizing a deliberate pace to ensure accuracy.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.